Hey guys. Alright, so I wanted to make this video to make it easier for everyone to understand the ins and outs of this new website we created, and also as a reference in case you have any questions or you forget how to do a particular thing. So this is the GAMA website. For those who don't know how to initially access the website to be able to blog and whatnot, you're going to want to go to the GAMAcollective.com/WP admin. Right, and that goes for everybody. Alright, you're here. The username is going to be admin, and the password is GAMA_collective ! So we're going to log in. Awesome. Alright, so this is what WordPress looks like, and this is generally the look for any WordPress website. It's a very basic general look. We're gonna, actually I recommend for those new to this, that's not maybe Tamara or a boss, I suggest that all of you create a new username, right? And to do so, you're gonna click under users. We're gonna add new. And you're just going to want to fill out all this information: username, email, first, last name, website, which is thegamacollective.com, and password. One important aspect, and you can uncheck that because you don't need it. One important aspect is the role. So whether you're an author, subscriber, contributor, I guess that'd be more of a general term, or administrator, which gives you complete control over the website. Make sure you mark the appropriate role, and then you're going to add said user. Should bring you back here. Make sure your name and all the information is correct, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so for those looking to post, right, because we're going to go to, and just a brief rundown, the home page and the About page are pretty set in stone. For those that don't understand how to code, they're more or less going to be the same throughout, And if something does need to be changed, please let me know, and I'll get to it very diligently. But this is more for the blog aspect of the website. Right now it's going to be a 2-column layout, and I believe it'll just keep populating. And we can set a number for the actual page itself, a max number of posts for the viewer to see before clicking next. But we'll get to that, I guess, the more populated this page becomes. So to be able to post something like this, we're going to go back to the admin. We're going to click under posts, and that's kind of what you see here. You have the Tiger Hunter review and the Inspires by Artwork, and you have that right here. There you go. So let's kind of take a brief, dive into one of these posts. Click here. All right, so everything you see here can be edited, picture and all. Let's go back to this page, and you'll see the Tiger Hunter review. Alrighty, ready. Alright, so you have the title, you have the verbiage kind of laid out, and you have the large featured image. Right? There you go. The date and the tags and the category can all be found here. Category, tags, and the date. Right. Let's start a new post. Right. Let's go back to post. Add new. All right. We're just gonna say test title. Test description. Category spirituality, tags, test tag, and let's pick an image. Guess we don't have images. Upload a GAMA. And you can actually upload multiple images at one time. There you go. Awesome. So let's pick an example. There you go. And just for everyone to know, you can see the size of the image right over here, all of the descriptions, the name and whatnot. We're going to need the image to be at least 500 height and 500 width. So anything larger than that works, it'd be perfect, but that's the minimum, 500 by 500. So just you want to make sure. Anything smaller than that, it becomes a little distorted, and it'll be really apparent on the website. But we're just going to click this for now. Set featured image. It should be right here. Let's check that out. So we're going to publish. Awesome. And you can actually click this link to test out to see what it will all look like. There, so you have the large image. You have by the GAMA Collective, which is going to be the just the general author, and that's something we can change. I'll show you that in a second. Category spirituality, tagged, you can test tag, and the date, and you can change this. Definitely change this. You can add or use previously used tags, and then we have the description at the bottom. Alrighty. So let's click the back button. That's just a test. A quick thing I wanted to add is including just individual pictures too. So you can actually throw images in anywhere on the post. You want to go to visual, which will show you the non-coded version of your post. You can click anywhere on within the post to make it look. There you go. All right, so you want to add an individual image. You want to add media, and just click a random image, like so. All right, and this can be actually edited. You can choose the size, small, medium, large, actual size, customize it. Keep the alignment at none because you'll be doing the alignment right here. Align right. Okay. And you want to click either align right or align left so it blends in with the actual words. It's not just floating randomly. Update, and you can check the post to see that it's sort of implemented itself within the words. It's not, on its own. And that's kind of what I'm hoping remains the same throughout every blog post, is that the images are nice and cleanly placed within the verbiage. Go back, click the image, and if you align left and update, There you go. Click the test title. It'll be on the left side. So yeah, you can play around with this. And it should be really easy, fairly easy to pick up. You can add as many images individually as you'd like. Again, you want to just go to App Media and click on whatever image within the library. And if you want to upload files, you can upload so through here. I heard you guys needed a gallery, and I implemented this feature just recently. It's called the Foo Gallery. Let's start and add a new gallery. Alright, so this is a pretty straightforward add-on that I included. You want to add media, and it'll pull from all of your pictures. All of the pictures, previous, past, future, they'll all be here. You can delete them manually. I suggest you keep them on here just in case. And you're going to want to click as many of these images as you want for your gallery. So the way it works is there's an unlimited amount of rows, but it'll be a 3-column grid. So let's say 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2. Let's use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's use 8 images, right? So we're going to add the media. All here, good to go. Everything else, more or less, shouldn't be changed. Publish. Awesome. And if you go back here, just reload. And this is the new gallery I created. Now you can change the gallery. So let's say test gallery, right? Click the update button. Come back here, reload, and the name will change. And this is the gallery you're going to want. You're going to insert the gallery, and this is a little tag that shows up to indicate this is the gallery. It's just a shortened version of the actual code. You're going to want to update. Click test title. Scroll below, and this is the gallery you get. So again, it's going to be a 3-column gallery with unlimited amount of rows. It's all centered, so if there's an even number, 2 in this example, it'll just kind of be centered in this grid, and then the description will be below. Back. Yeah. I think that's kind of what you wanted. So that's kind of just the test title. This link right here is just a preview of what the actual website, or I'm sorry, the actual post will be. If you go to the website and you click blog, it'll show right here, part of the grid. It'll just kind of keep multiplying. The more you post, the more will be on this page. Click it, and everything's there. Yep. Yeah, so I mean, I try to create this the way to blog. I try to make it as easy for all of you as possible, and I hope it is. There's a lot of things I can do on my end to make it look better, but it does become a little bit more difficult on your end. So I try to find the best balance of looks and ease of use, and I hope everything else looks good. Actually, if you go to post, this is the last thing, to change the author, because right now the author is under the GAMA Collective. You're going to want to go quick edit, and you can change the author right here. Your name should be here the moment you create yourself as a user, but you just change the name, update, and again you can actually change the categories and tags as you please. To create different tags, you want to just use a comma and kind of add your own thing. another test tag. Update. All right, and you have your tags right here. You have the author that's changed. You go back to, oops, click on here and you go back to your page. Yeah, your tag should be added. And the author should have been changed. Alrighty, really easy. If you guys have any questions outside of this video, please let me know. I wanted to make this easy because I believe that all of you had scheduling issues, or I just wasn't sure what time everyone wanted to meet. And I think this is easier. I think this will be a lot better for everyone to kind of learn on their own time. But again, it shouldn't take too long. Yeah. Thank you guys. And again, let me know if you have any other questions. I'm here for you guys. Thank you.